saying? But here you go right here. This is the cluster cover that we have painted. As y'all can see, blue, black. So we're finna paint the rest of the entire dash cover. And when we get the car back here, just be ready to throw in, besides me doing like a few little areas of paint to the actual dash already in the car. I got literally every crevice, every curl, every bend, everywhere. Fully sanded, bro, fully sanded. But for now, this is how it's looking. One full frame. And like I said, it came out literally perfect, bro. Perfect.
Hey, forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious. I've been on my block like for so long that I feel boxed in. Homie on my block no more, but I let them know I can't change, yeah. I be in my head like high.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now this video we finna finally go ahead, you know what I'm saying, and paint the entire dash for the Cutlass, or dash cover I should say. Cause as y'all know, this is just a cover. It's just gonna go over the original dash. That way I don't have to actually pull out the entire dash and replace it, cause it's a lot of wiring and like just a lot of miscellaneous stuff, you know what I'm saying? I really don't want to have to pull all that out. So we got this cover, which this cover still wasn't cheap itself. It's still like a $300 dash cover, you know what I'm saying? Like $250 to $300 after tax and shipping. So like I said, we got, y'all know, this huge box right here. We finna go ahead and paint the entire dash now that the cluster is done. And I'm not gonna throw a clear coat on it. I'm just gonna do it and just spray it with the blue. Now, y'all don't know, y'all know we got the old cans. So about 1.5 cans right here. Y'all know. But I also just ordered more to finish the entire rest of the interior whenever I get the car back. So we got 5 more cans of blue right here. Well, y'all can't see. Let me see if I got my phone on me. Let's look and see. Y'all see 5 more cans of blue right here. And I think I got 3 more cans of clear. I'm not gonna need too much clear coats, because you know what I'm saying, the clear coats, we don't do that many coats of clear. But we do more coats of the blue more so than the clear, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, now I'm finna get ready to get this big box out and set up my little paint area, you know what I'm saying? Because today is actually pretty warm. I think it's high 50s. It's supposed to get to like high of 60, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty warm today, so we finna try to be real productive. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. And yeah, let's get this out and let's get started, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a pretty long day because it's a lot more to paint than just the cluster was, and the cluster took me a pretty while, because you know what I'm saying, I took my time. So let's get right into this video and I'll catch y'all once we get everything out and ready to paint. Alright y'all, so if y'all haven't already checked out the video where we painted the cluster cover, make sure y'all go check that video out. But now, like I said, I'm finna show y'all, and we're finna pull out the dash, put it in the paint area that I made, and we're finna start painting, you know what I'm saying? But here you go right here. This is the cluster cover that we have painted. As y'all can see, blue, black. So we're finna paint the rest of the entire dash cover. And when we get the car back here, just be ready to throw in, besides me doing like a few little areas of paint to the actual dash already in the car. You know what I'm saying? It'll be ready. So like I said, I'm gonna pull everything out, get this out the way. And as y'all can see, the texture is still part of the actual dash cover, and we did not throw a clear coat on it, so I don't think the sun will glare on it too much. But let's go ahead and pull this full dash out. Sit that down, put this down. Alright, and here we go. We can paint this entire dash, bro. One frame. I'll try to anyways. There we go. We're gonna paint the entire dash. Now I know this is gonna take a minute, but it gotta be done, you know? It has to be done. We gotta do it. So, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and move this. I'm gonna pull this out of the plastic, if I can do this one-handed. Alright. Try and get this out. caught somewhere. There you go. This dash is really flimsy too, y'all. Well, y'all get the picture. We finna go ahead and pull this dash out. So I'll catch y'all 1 second when I get it out in my paint area, and we finna go ahead and start sanding. So I'll be right back to y'all. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. This, just sanding this, I haven't even got to wipe it down with the alcohol yet, or even lay my first coat, but just sanding this took me 45 minutes, bro. I started at 1:30 and it's 2:10 now, so about 40-45 minutes, bro, just sanding. But it's looking good. Do I need to bring y'all in the sun? Yeah, so I need to slide this over in the sun, but I got literally every crevice, every curl, every bend, everywhere. Fully sanded, bro. Fully sanded. In here, everywhere. Literally everywhere. The sides, behind, everywhere. And like I said, it took me about 45 minutes. But as y'all can see, she is now ready for paint. All I gotta do is use my alcohol, wipe it down. I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes. After I wipe it down, and again, I forgot to get the wax and grease remover, so sorry about that. All right, like I said, I forgot to get the wax and grease remover, so I will just be having to use trusty old isopropyl alcohol. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, now we just finna go ahead, wipe it on down, then I'm gonna lay my first coat of paint up on here, and I'll come back once I get ready to lay my first coat, or after I lay my first coat. One of those two will be the next clip. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Like I said, hit that like button. I'll catch y'all in 1 second. All right, y'all, so I just finished the first coat of this dash, and when I tell y'all, this first coat took all of my paint. My entire can now empty. Crazy, bro, but it was expected. You feel me? It's a big piece, huge piece, and it's all just one piece. So expected that it was gonna, you know, take that whole can, and which is why I went ahead and ordered more, which is why I didn't want to paint this until I had all them extra cans of paint, just in case if I ran out of paint, because I didn't want this to be halfway done and I have to come back with more paint later on, you feel me, when I already got the paint now. So that's one of the main reasons why I waited. But here go the first coat. If y'all can tell, still a little patchy. You can still see a little bit of black through, which is supposed to be like it, because like I said, this is just my first coat. I only sprayed one coat, and if y'all look very closely, you can still see the texture, which is lovely, which is one thing I really wanted. But yeah, gotta go back through it with another can. I literally just finished this first coat, and it's already dry. Look at that, already dry. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for about another 5-10 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and do my second coat. It's coming out perfect, bro. I'm telling you, it's coming out perfect. Exactly how I want it to be, and exactly how I want it to look, the right color. And the sun, as y'all can tell, the sun is beaming and it's not throwing a glare back, so I'm not gonna throw a clear coat on it. I'm gonna just leave it like this. That's why I didn't order too many more cans of clear. I only ordered 3 cans of clear and then 5 extra cans of the blue. That's way I can make sure, hopefully that'll be enough to finish the rest of my interior. Cause it's only, I forgot I still gotta do them door panels. So I'm definitely gonna have to order more blue paint and more clear coat. Or at least more blue, cause I forgot I still gotta do them them door panels that we just bought. Dang, I forgot. Well, that I just bought, I should say. But yeah, I forgot all about that. But there ain't too many more interior pieces to do. And that whole center console. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order more paint. This is not gonna be all. I only ordered 5 more cans, so I'm definitely gonna have to order more paint. But as y'all can see, the first coat is now done. So I will be letting this dry for about another, like I said, about another 10 minutes. Let me see what time it is. yeah, so about another 10 minutes. Actually 5 minutes, 'cause I've been talking to y'all for almost 3 minutes now. So yeah, about another 5 minutes I'm gonna let this go. Then I will be coming back out here so I can, you know what I'm saying, finish, do another coat, and then keep letting it dry. You know what I'm saying, keep taking time. That's my main thing, is I'm gonna make sure I'm taking my time. I don't want to rush this. So after I do a few more coats, I'm gonna come back to y'all, hopefully for the finished product. If not, it'll be like another little update. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about how it's turning out so far. I'm loving this blue, and I think it's gonna make this car look perfect, bro. I'm telling you, perfect. So I'll catch y'all in another second. So guys, I just finished literally the last coat and used up this whole other can. So now that's 2 cans already gone. But if I lift it up and I think it need more paint after I put it like more so in the sun, then I'll do another coat, you know what I'm saying, use one of them newer cans I just got. But other than that, man, it came out literally perfect, bro. I love this. I love the color of it. I love how everything looks about it. You feel me? Now I'm just gonna let it dry for about 40 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit for about 40 minutes, close to an hour, and let this finish drying and curing, you know what I'm saying? So here go the final product. No black showing, multiple coats of blue. I think I did maybe 4 or 5 full coats, 1 light coat, like 3 or 4 heavy coats. Honestly, I don't remember. I just remember taking breaks and then come right back out, you know what I'm saying? 20-minute, 30-minute breaks and coming right back out. So in total today, so far, there's been a 4-hour job of me just painting the dash, and that's because I want, like I said, I want everything to be perfect. I don't want it to peel up later on, or, you feel me, just rush anything. I want everything to be perfect and look perfect. And as of right now, it's looking beyond perfect. You feel me? It look beautiful. But yeah, y'all see, you can still see the texture. And they go to full dash in 1 frame, fully coated, every crevice all up in here. I got, the only thing I didn't do is literally behind, but that's because you're not gonna even see it behind. So, but as y'all can see inside here, fully painted, bro, fully painted. Now I just gotta let it fully dry. I did the bottom, got under here, you know what I'm saying, the whole dash cover, the whole thing, sides, because you're gonna see the sides when you open the door. Now here, I was thinking about getting like a custom sticker logo for the Oldsmobile, maybe a sticker that says just Salon with the Oldsmobile logo right behind it. If I can get that made, you know what I'm saying, like I said, a small little sticker, and it say Salon on it, and then right behind Salon it'd be the Oldsmobile logo right here. If I can get that on there, I think that'll look hard too, and get it like white, a white sticker with blue font, or maybe black font, either one, you feel me, or a black sticker with blue font. I don't know if it'll show up well, but something I would do want to put right there, or even my name, you know what I'm saying, put Deuce there, or my real name right there, you feel me, something like that. Honestly, I don't know yet. That's something I still need to figure out. But here go the front, or the top I should say. And y'all know this don't come with speaker covers, because speaker covers are already in the car, so I'm gonna have to paint those. But I do want to get new ones, because the ones I have that's in the Cutlass now are cracked and dry rotted and stuff. So I do want to find some new ones if I can. But if not, I'm gonna have to just rock out with what I have. But that's the full top. And like I said, no glares from the sun when the sun was beaming, nothing. So I'm not gonna do a clear coat unless y'all tell me to. But for now, this is how it's looking. 1 full frame. And like I said, it came out literally perfect, bro. Perfect. Literally perfect. And you can still see the texture. So I didn't sand, that's another thing too. I was making sure I didn't sand too deep to where, or too hard to where, you feel me, it wouldn't, I mean, it'll take away the texture of the actual dash cover. So I sanded literally perfect, and everything stuck perfectly. Now I just gotta let it dry. Like I said, I'm gonna let it dry and cure for about an hour before I put it back in that plastic wrap, just to make sure it don't try and take none of the paint off that I have painted. So everything stuck well, took my time, and that's the main thing. You know what I'm saying? When you're doing this type of stuff to where your car will be seen, or parts of your car that you are trying to customize that will be seen in your painting, you want to make sure, you know what I'm saying, that you take your time. You don't want to rush it. This is not projects that you want to rush, especially with my car, since I do want to be going to car shows later on. And you know what I'm saying, people gonna be just looking at my car. I don't want to just rush this stuff. I want this stuff to actually look good. So yeah, I actually took my time with it. So one more time, here go the dash cover again. Oh, look at it, bro. Y'all can't tell me this not gonna look hard once I finish painting everything else, get the seats done, put the carpet in. It's gonna look hard. And y'all can literally see the inside paint at the insides right there. That's gonna be seen. And that black will not be seen. It's gonna be the part touching the actual dash. So yep, got everything literally perfect. And like I said, I'm out of paint, so well, I do got more paint, but I used that whole can, which is what I was trying to do. So yeah, got this done. Like I said, I'm gonna let it cure. Then I'm gonna come back to y'all for the outro. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I think it came out perfect. So I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna come back to y'all for the outro. Alright y'all, it's gonna be the end of this one. The dash is, y'all can see right here. I'm gonna leave it out tonight and let it just fully cure, you know what I'm saying, without putting it back in that plastic right now. So I'm gonna leave it out tonight. And y'all can still see the texture on it, bro. When I tell y'all it came out better than what I thought, it definitely surpassed my expectations. You know what I'm saying? It's literally perfect. So it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way up. You'll be notified every time I drop. I can't wait to put this in the car, man, and really see how it's gonna look inside of the car. You know, you can only get so much of an image without it being in the car. But as y'all see, man, it's perfect, literally perfect. Y'all can't see back there, and I ain't got my phone on me. I left my phone in the house. But yeah, like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love it, bro. I love the dash. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments, you know. And yeah, like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell to all. Comment in the comments what y'all think about the dash. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first. And God bless. I love y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.